Oh, Jack can't wait to get to the play yard with his new little Christmas toy. Hey, Jack, stop. Turn around. Let's see your front. Hi. Oh, you better get it. Okay. Having fun at home for the holidays. Well, it's kind of hard to read what his little shirt says, but it says, "Dear Santa, let me explain." Not that he's been naughty, because he hasn't. He would never be naughty. Okay, we're here. Hey. Okay, wait, I gotta shut the gate. Okay, wait a minute.